So I've decided to take on one of the most competitive niches on YouTube. Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. Today I want to take you through my newest YouTube automation channel to document the launch and monetization process. That way you can see a real-time case study of me doing the work myself, with only the support of AI tools in the beginning. Before we jump inside the channel studio, let's go through the action plan ahead. So I'm currently using AI for the voice and other AI tools for the content production, like scripts and editing. I'll link to all of the tools I use, along with more in-depth training in the video description. As always, the goal is not to use AI tools or even create the videos myself long term. I just want to fire up the channel so that it is making money, at which point I can improve the video quality and automation by building a team and outsourcing production. This new Faceless channel is in the business and finance space, a massively competitive niche due to its high CPMs and profitability. You'll notice in most cases on YouTube that where there is more money to be made, in most cases the quality of the videos goes up as well, as people are more willing to spend money to make more money long term. The finance niche requires knowledge, or at least good research, which makes it more specialist. You are going up against experts and a higher caliber of copywriter. Also, in a bid to stand out more from the competition, video production is going to be higher. You start to see more whiteboard and animation videos rather than generic stock footage. Or, if you do, it's a creative mix of media and images. All of this raises the barrier of entry, as it requires quality and quantity to break through. So it's not the best niche for beginners unless you have the budget to outsource. This also means I expect growth to be a little slower than normal, which is something else worth noting when deciding on a niche. You can choose a high CPM with a slower growth rate, or a low CPM with a faster growth rate. For example, my last channel had a lower barrier of entry and video number 23 went viral, closely followed by video number 28 and 32. Because of that, the channel was monetized by week 5. I generally find that the average is 30 to 40 videos to reach monetization, if you're following the right strategy. But with this channel, I expect it to be more like 50 videos to reach monetization. As you can see, we are currently on day 34, with 31 videos live in total. The first video was uploaded on the 2nd of January, and as of the time of recording, it's the 6th of February 2023. I uploaded every day for 4 weeks, and then dropped down to 3 videos per week afterwards. So I will be uploading 12 more videos over the next 30 days. If I had the time, I would ideally be uploading a new video every other day. So far, no video has gone viral. What normally happens is that one of the first 30 to 40 videos goes viral, and that lifts the entire channel, often making other videos go viral, thereby snowballing the channel's growth. This is why you want to target suggested traffic when starting new channels. Now, even though no video has actually gone viral, 2 videos tried to. Had the retention rate and click-through rate been a little higher, they may have kept going. You can see here from the 2 spikes. If the videos had the legs, then those spikes would have kept going up. But instead, they just fizzled out. As of recording, this channel only has 33 subscribers, and half of those came from one of the videos that started going viral. But before that, the channel only had about 9 subscribers. Even with just a handful of subscribers, that video got over 500 views. So if you thought that YouTube didn't give views to smaller or new channels, then think again. I've gotten 500,000 views on a single video with just a few subscribers on the channel. You just need to position your channel and videos to tap into the algorithm. Now that we've passed the 30 video mark, YouTube will start to better understand who my channel and videos are for. You can see that I'm still getting daily views, and I find that as videos bed in more with good optimization, the views they get have a better watch time and click-through rate. The analytics actually start to improve. This means YouTube is learning where to place my videos. So the key thing I want to work on the next 30 days is the click-through rate and video retention rate. As I now have some data to look at, I can see what's working and do more of that moving forward. I'll give you another update around the 60-day mark, so make sure to subscribe so you get updated. And as always, if you would like full step-by-step training on building profitable channels, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.